Started. Come on, people. Let me see the excitement in the chat. Quick, quick, quick. Everybody, go for it. Fantastic. That is what I was looking for. That is the spirit. Keep it up, boys and girls. I want you to maintain this energy throughout the class for the next 1.5 hours. Got it? So let's begin. As always, in style. Let's go. So people, today I will be moving on with this chapter and teaching you some very cool methods of solving integrals. So for you to learn them and apply them in a good manner, it is essential that you all can hear me and see me very well. So please let me know in the poll whether you guys can hear and see me very well. I will start the poll in just 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So please answer it, guys. This is very important because if you have any problem, any tech issue, audio lag, video lag, then I can recommend you some suggestions by which you can correct it. Got it? Everybody done? It is not a very tough question, okay? So don't think like you are solving a JEE Advanced or Olympiad question. Answer it fatafat and then we will move forward. All done? So I'm going to close your poll in 3, 2, 1. That's it. That ends your poll. Let me show you the results. So as you can see, the green bar indicates all the children who are having a smooth session. And those who clicked on no, whatever issue you have, I'll give you 2 suggestions. Check if it works. The first one is your internet speed. My dear boys and girls, this. Shall we get started? Are you all ready? Very good. So I am going to now march on to today's portion. But before we jump into today's portion, what is one final thing which I have to explain you all? Yes, I read your mind voice. You guys are right. It is our mutual agreement. So I hope all of you are by having a healthy competition. That is the beauty. You have your class teachers, important topic. And you'll all have a happy and fun-filled session. That's when learning is best. Trust me on that. Okay? So I hope you guys will maintain that. Let us now proceed and get started with today's portion with some music. So what am I going to teach you all today? Today I'm going to teach you only one topic. What, sir? 1.5 hours, one topic. Yes. Why? Because it's very important. It is super duper important topic. And that topic is nothing other than substitution method. Okay. So in the first class, I taught you standard integrals, which was basic, laddu. But now I'm slowly raising the bar and I'm going to take you into substitution method. I will show you how it works, why is it important, and how it makes our solving beautiful. Okay. So when you have a question based on substitution, it generally looks like this. You will have an integral, let's say f of g of x into g dash of x dx. Now, I'm not getting to the title. Let's just look at this question. Does it look complicated for a beginner? Sir, what's happening, sir? F of g of x, composition you're giving, then g dash of x, then dx. How? Just how? But what if I tell you, if I use substitution here, it becomes a piece of cake. It becomes a laddu question. Now do you realize the power of substitution? Absolutely awesome, isn't it? So, sir, what is substitution method? We are all excited to learn. Let me reveal it to you. Any guesses? Any guesses in the chat? What will I do here? I am sure some of you might have some idea. Because I know some curious people, when you were learning integration in 11th in physics, that time itself you would have explored all these areas. So if you guys know, let me know. I would love to teach through students. That would be awesome, isn't it? Anybody? Come on, guys. Any guesses? What do you think I should do here? Look at the name, substitution. That means I have to substitute something here. So when I make a substitution, my life becomes easy. So what is that substitution you guys have to think about? That is how it works, okay? So now I will reveal it to you. If anybody said the right answer, I will definitely take a moment to appreciate you. So keep your answers on hold. I will come back to it, okay? So guys, here what I'll do is, I am going to take my g of x as some t. So what am I doing? I am substituting g of x as some t. So that is what we call a substitution. Why, sir? Why did you choose g of x? Why not g dash of x? Why not something else? Why specifically g of x, sir? Because the derivative of g of x is present in the integral. This is one trick to understand what to substitute. This is one trick to understand what to substitute. I will elaborate more on this as we move forward. But to put it in a nutshell, you take something as t or you substitute something only when its derivative is already present, or you should be able to bring the derivative without changing the question. Got it? I hope you all noted it down. If not, watch the replay, pause, hear me out in slow speed and let that sink into your head, because that is very important. Sir, now what, sir? So if I differentiate this, I'll get g dash of x dx is equal to dt, correct now? So now this integral will become integral f of g of x. What is g of x? G of x is nothing but t. G of x is nothing but t. Correct? And g dash of x dx is what? G dash of x dx is dt. Can you believe how easy it became? Now can you see how easy it became? From such a complicated integral, I reduced it to such a laddu integral, such an easy one. That is the power of substitution. All those who said this substitution, you guys were absolutely right. Hats off. And I want to appreciate you with a big, big round of applause. Good job, people. So shall I move forward? Are you all ready? So now I will show you examples where we can apply substitution and solve our questions. Okay, so I hope you're all ready. I'm going to show you some basic examples, not very tough ones. We will start off with basic ones, but I want you to be fast. When will you be fast? When you are with me, not dreaming. Okay, not being physically present and mentally absent. No. I want you to be involved in this class. Okay, so make sure you have your pen and textbook ready, notebook ready, so that you can solve along with me. That is important, guys. Okay, only then we will be fast as a team, as a class. Are you ready, my dear boys and girls? So I'm going to show you some example questions for some action, for some warm-up before we go to the quiz, the actual challenge. Everybody with me? Come on, people. I want everyone to solve these two questions. Try it out. So these are your first set of questions on substitution method of integration. Everybody try it. I'll give you 30 seconds for each question. So after 1 minute, I will start solving. Sir, only 1 minute. Yes, guys. After 1 minute, we will discuss. I think you should be able to get at least a part in that time. Okay. So go for it, guys. Because the reason being, you guys would have some idea about this because of your physics and chemistry. In both subjects, we use integration. I hope you're all aware of it. Sir, where, sir? In your kinematics, in your electrostatics, you use everywhere, guys, your integration. And in chemistry, we do it in kinetics, that I'm very sure. So please make sure you're getting this done quickly. Are you all done? Everybody? Fantastic. So let's try to solve the first one. So what will I do here? I told you substitution method. So you have to use it somehow. So what will you do? Take 2x plus 1 as t. That's it. So all those who did that, you guys are very good. The others, please try to catch up. Try to note these down so that the next time you guys can crack it very easily. Okay. So such questions are there in your NCRT, in your session assignment, in your Tattva exercise 1. Try to solve them then and there and make sure you're confident in these basic concepts. Okay. So now 2x plus 1, if I put it as t, what will happen? If I differentiate, I'll get 2 dx is equal to dt. So I'll put 2x plus 1 as t and dx is what? Dx is dt by 2 because this 2 will go down. So dx will become dt by 2. So that is my integral. So which is very simple. So it will become half integral of sin t dt. What is sin t integral? Sin t is minus cos t. Correct na? Minus cos t by 2 plus c. So that is how you solve it. I hope you all are clear. In the last step, you have to reconvert it. So it will be minus cos of t is 2x plus 1. Okay. T is 2x plus 1 by 2 plus c over. Are you all happy with it? How many of you got the exact same answer? If you guys have got the exact same answer, then you have done a great job. Very good. Are you all able to get the hang of it, my dear boys and girls? You all are happy? Simple? So this is a very good example of how substitution works. So I took 2x plus 1 as t because its derivative I can bring in the question without affecting the question. Correct? So that should be your thought process. That should be your methodology while choosing what to substitute. Okay. I hope you're all clear with this. So people, with that, let me move forward to the next question. So here you have to split them and solve. You have to split them as two integrals and then solve it separately. Can you all do that? Everybody? So I can split this integral as 2x plus 3 whole power 5 dx. That is one integral. And 1 by 7x minus 5 whole power 3 dx is another integral. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2x plus 3 as t. So I'll get 2 dx is equal to dt. Got it? So now let's substitute. It will become integral t power 5 because 2x plus 3 is t, na? T power 5. Dx is what? Dx is dt by 2. So this is what I'll have. So that integral will be t power 6 by 6. And we have a 1 by 2 outside. So it will become 12 plus c. What is t? T is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 whole power 6 by 12 plus c is my answer. Are you all clear with it? Did you all love it? So that is the first part integral. I have to do the second part also now. So second part, what will I do? I will take 7x minus 5 as some other alphabet you can take. You can take Z. Okay. You don't have to take same T again. You can take Z. So now I am substituting 7x minus 5 as Z. So I will have 7 dx is equal to dz. So the question will become integral 1 by z cube. Dx will become dz by 7. Got it? So that's basically integral of 1 by 7 z to the power minus 3 dz. So what is z to the power minus 3 integral? I hope all of you remember what you studied last class. What is that? 1 by 7 is outside. Z to the power minus 3 integral is z to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. Okay. So it will be 1 by 14 times of z is 7x minus 5. Z power minus 2 will be 1 by 7x minus 5 whole square plus c. Okay. So this and this I have to add. So if I add these two, I will get my final answer. I hope you are all happy with it. Did you all like it? My dear boys and girls, can you all give me a thumbs up, a yo, and a fire in the chat, and then we will proceed forward. Come on guys, I want all of you to respond quick. Did you all love it? Was it awesome? I hope this example has explained clearly what is our substitution method and how it is very powerful in simplifying our integral. Got it? Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Keep it up, boys and girls. A big round of applause for everybody, for our entire class. Okay. So this is how you do it. This is exactly what we got. Can you see here? They are doing this as first integral. They got the exact same value as us. And then this is your second integral. And again, they got the exact same value as us. Got it? So when you combine them together, that will be your final answer. I hope you all liked it. Yup. I hope all of you are clear with it. So guys, here you have 7 into minus 2, so it will be minus 14. I hope you have made a note of it, okay? Be careful in that, people, okay? Small errors can cost you big in exams. Of course, your competitive exams will have options, but still, try to be careful when you're solving. Cool? So shall I move forward? Everybody? Great job. So with that, people, let us move ahead and have a look at one doubt which you might have. I've already briefly addressed it, but let me emphasize and make it super clear for everybody. What is that doubt? How to judge what substitution to make. Like I said, substitute something which will simplify your integral first. Second, whatever you substitute, its derivative should be there, or you should be able to create it without changing your question. First, substitution should simplify your question. Second, substitution, whatever you are choosing, its derivative should be present in the integral, or you should be able to bring the derivative in the question without changing the question. Got it? Are you all clear? So these are the two guidelines for you to understand what to substitute and what not to. Clear? Fantastic. So now we are going to start off with the first quiz of the day. So guys, quizzes are scored. I hope you all know that. If you answer the quizzes rightly and quickly, then you might be in the top of the leaderboard, which I will show at the very end of our class. Okay, so I want all of you to try your best to make it to the leaderboard standings today. I want you to make a very, very sincere effort with your whole heart. Got it? Everybody ready? Shall we begin? Okay, So here we go. The very first quiz is on your screen. I want all of you all to try it out. Come on, my dear boys and girls. Let's go. We have 2 by square root of a minus x dx integral. What is that equal to? Can you all try it? Quickly. Okay, after 30 seconds, I'll give an hint on what you should be choosing as your substitution. Okay, but yeah, before that, I want you guys to try. So everybody go for it. All of you. Are you all done? So what is the substitution that you will make? You can take a minus x as t. So when I do that, I will get minus dx is equal to dt. Got it? So what will happen? I'll have 2 by root of a minus x, which is nothing but root t. Dt will become minus d. Dx will become minus dt. Why? Because dx is minus of dt. So now this one I can integrate. It will be minus 2 integral of t to the power minus half dt. So t to the power minus half, I hope you guys can integrate it. So I will leave it to you all. And I'm going to start the quiz in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Come on, people. Everybody try to solve it. I am pretty sure you all must be able to reach the answer in a jiffy. Maximum participation. Come on, people. I want each and every boy and girl present in the class today to be involved, to try and answer whatever you're getting in this question, because anyway, I'll help you. Don't worry. I'll make sure you guys follow it. Fantastic job, people. So what we have currently on our screen is the fastest fingers list. So as you all can see, we have the top 10 quickest answers of our class. But what I, as a teacher, am interested in is the overall distribution. So as you can see here, option B is the right answer. Sir, why, sir, is it option B? Because guys, when you finish off this last step, what will you get? You will get minus 2 t to the power minus half integral is t to the power plus half by plus half plus c. So this will become minus 4 times root t plus c. That's it. So minus 4 root t plus c is my answer. So minus 4 root of t is what? T is nothing but your a minus x. So that is going to be root of a minus x plus c. That's it, which is option B, your right answer. Did you all like it? Was it awesome? Was it a good question? Yup. I hope all of you enjoyed it. So if you guys are all happy, then we shall move forward. Great. Fantastic work, people. Keep it up. So if you guys have any doubt until this point, please make sure you're getting it resolved by reaching out to your class teacher and getting the doubts clarified. Okay? Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you one very nice observation, and based on that, we are going to continue our problem solving. Okay? Fantastic. Let's go. So what is that observation? So guys, if you say your integral of f of x dx is capital F of x plus c, then if you have integral of the same function but with ax plus b, as the argument, then this integral will be equal to capital F of ax plus b divided by coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is a. So I have to divide by that. Sir, how does it work, sir? Can you please let us know? I will help you, don't worry. So we have integral f of ax plus b, right? So we want to integrate this. I will take ax plus b as some t, substitution. So I'll get a dx is equal to dt when I differentiate. So I'll get dx is equal to dt by a. Are you all able to follow? So this integral will become integral f of t dx is dt by a. So now you understood. So I have 1 by a. Integral f of t dt is nothing but integral f of x dx, which is capital F of. Got it? Everybody cool? So what is capital F of t? So it is nothing but capital F of t is nothing but ax plus b. So it is capital F of ax plus b by a plus c by a, or you can leave it at c. It's up to you. Because anyway, c by a and c both are constants. So you don't have to be worried about it. But did I derive it? I absolutely derived it. Are you guys able to see that? Are you guys able to sense that? Everybody? Cool? Very simple stuff, isn't it? So guys, this is going to look simple, but if you look at the applications, you are going to be blown away. So I'm going to give you some 3 to 4 applications of this in the next set of examples which I have brought for you. I hope you're all ready. Okay. Please make a note of this and try to be comfortable with what is mentioned over here. Okay. That's why I did the derivation. Why did I do the derivation? Because when you do the derivation, you will know how to apply it better. That is a small advantage of knowing derivations. Got it? So I'll give you 30 seconds time. Let everything sink in and you guys note it down. Then we'll go to questions. Got it? Perfect. Everybody ready? So people, let's go to the next set of questions which is given over here. So I'm going to show you all the questions. Those who are interested to solve them together can take a screenshot, and the others, you can try it along with me step by step. Okay. So this is your first question. Please have a look at it, guys. Everybody. This is your first question. I want all of you to have a look at it. We'll go one by one. Okay. We'll go one by one. So how do you use the remark which I gave you? Guys, I don't want you to substitute fully from start. Like if you say, Shimon sir, please take 2x plus 5 as t, Shimon sir. Then you will get 2 dx is equal to dt. Then you will get dx is equal to dt by 2. Then you integrate it. It will become integral t cube dx is dt by 2. And then you solve it, sir. It's over. It's over. As simple as that, sir. As simple as that. So it will be t power 4 by 8 plus c, sir. So it should be 2x plus 5 whole power 4 by 8. That's it, Shimon, sir. Over. This is correct. But look at how many steps I wrote. It took forever for me to complete. But if you apply the remark which I gave you, you can do it like that. In a few seconds, you can solve it. How, sir? We all know integral x cube dx is x power 4 by 4. So, in place of x, I have 2x plus 5. Can you see? In place of x, I have a linear function. Because 2x plus 5 is a linear function, right? So, that can be written as 2x plus 5 whole raised to the power 4 by 4 divided by coefficient of x. Divided by coefficient of x plus c. So, will I get the same answer? Are you guys able to see that? Isn't that beautiful, my dear boys and girls? Everybody, please let me know in the chat with a thumbs up with a yo and a fire if you feel this was interesting. Are you all happy with it? So shall I move forward, my dear boys and girls? Yes? All good? Okay. So the next few questions, I want you guys to put your effort and reach the answer. Let me see how many of you are able to crack it. Got it? Fantastic, guys. So let us proceed. I'm going to give the questions as challenges to all my lovely boys and girls. Let's see if you guys can crack it. Yep. Fantastic. Let's go. So this is the next question. Come on, people. I want you all to try it out. Everybody go for it. What do we have? We have integral 1 by 5 minus 6x dx. So how do you do this? So first of all, we know integral 1 by x dx is equal to ln of x plus c, or ln of mod x plus c. Got it? So what do we have here? In place of x, we have 5 minus 6x. So this is going to be ln of 5 minus 6x divided by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 6 plus c. That, my dear friends, is how you solve it. Was it fast? Was it ultra legendary? Did you guys love it? Are you all clear with it now? I hope you guys are all able to get the hang of it. This is how the remark should be applied. Okay. This is how the remark which I taught you should be applied. Clear? Perfect. So let us practice a few more questions before moving on to quizzes. So I do have a few quizzes coming up. I hope you're all ready. Today also we have plenty of problems, plenty of quizzes, because this whole chapter is dependent upon problem solving ability. Okay. So we need to constantly develop that. So the next question for you all is right on your screen. Come on, people. I want all of you to try it out. Cos of x degree I have. So directly I cannot integrate. So some people will be like, sir, integral cos x, sir, is nothing but sin x plus c. So that's the answer. No, that is not the answer, because here x is in radians, whereas here x is in degrees. So first I need to convert degrees into radians and then maybe solve this question. Okay. So how do you convert that? Anybody? So cos of x degree can be written as x into pi by 180 radians. So that is my integral. So we know integral cos x dx is sin x plus c. So this will be equal to what? Sine of whatever is inside, pi x by 180 divided by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is pi by 180 plus c. So that is my answer for this question. I hope you're all with me, my dear boys and girls. Are you all able to grasp it? Are you all able to understand whatever I've done so far? Everybody cool with it? Come on, guys, let me know with a yo, with a thumbs up and a fire in the chat. Then we will proceed forward. Yep. All good? Fantastic. So that is the answer for the C part. Now we will march on to the D part. Are you guys ready? Everybody? Yes? We got the same answer, isn't it? So they just brought the 180 to the top, to the numerator. So you can write the same as 180 by pi sine of pi x by 180. So we got the same answer as what is written over here. I hope you're all clear. Yes? So now the next question is on your screen. Please try it out, people. After this is done, then we'll move forward. I have given you a lot of hints in the bottom of the slide as well. Some suggestions to help you out. So use that, okay? Try it. So first of all, when I open this, what do I get? A to the power x square will be a to the power 2x plus b to the power x square will become b to the power 2x plus twice of a power x, b power x is what I have when I open it. Is that correct? I just opened this a plus b whole square formula. So what is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That is exactly what I've done here. Got it? So now I can split them as individual intervals. Individual integrals. So it is going to be a power 2x dx plus you'll have b power 2x dx plus twice of a power x, b power x dx. Awesome? Everybody cool? Now we all know integral a power x is what? It is a power x divided by log a. But here the coefficient of x is 2. So I have to divide by that. Don't forget that. Whatever coefficient of x you have, you need to divide by that. So same logic holds true for b power 2x integral also. So it will be b power 2x by log b and I will divide by 2 because the coefficient of x is 2. Are you all clear? Now the last one, what do we have? This can be written as ab whole power x. So it's going to be twice of ab whole power x by log of ab. Here I will stop with this and then add a plus c to get my final answer. Are you all happy with it? Did you all like it, my dear boys and girls? Was it epic? Did you all love it? So far so good? Can I see some thumbs up? Can I see some yo's and some fires in the chat before I proceed? Come on guys, be quick. All of you. All good? Great. So now we will move forward to an actual challenge. Let me see how many of you are able to crack that. But before going to that question, I want to show you the solution so that you guys can make a note of it. Okay. So this is exactly what we also got. I hope you're able to follow it, my dear boys and girls. Clear? Very good. So now let us move forward to the next question which I have for you. Okay. Where is the next question? Okay. So next question is questions of this type where you have dx by sine of x minus a cos of x minus b. Okay. So such questions are very tricky and we need to learn how to handle them. Are you all ready? Yes. So we will try to have a look at questions of this type wherein we have sine of x minus a into cos of x minus b in the denominator. So I have given you a hint. Can you all try using that? Everybody? Can you all try using that? Quickly. I want all of you to give it an attempt. Okay. So let me write it in the next page. What do we have? We have integral of 1 by sine of x minus a into cos of x minus b. Correct? So they're asking, how do you simplify this? So for a beginner, this question is a very good question. Okay. For a beginner, this is a very good question because students generally get scared seeing this question. They feel, okay, it is a complicated question. What do I do now? But guys, if you take a step back and watch it, it is actually very much doable by a simple manipulation. So this manipulation is next level. So please make a note of it. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to multiply and divide by cos of A minus B. Okay. Cos of A minus B or cos of B minus A, whichever you want to, you can do it. I will show you how it is applied. Are you all ready? So I'll multiply and divide. So on the numerator also I'll have cos of A minus B. Got it? So now, my dear boys and girls, the numerator, I'm going to write it as cos of x minus b minus of x minus a. Is that all right? The numerator, a minus b, I am writing it as x minus b minus of x minus a, which is absolutely fine. I hope you guys are all able to sense that. Everybody cool with it? So now why did I do that? The reason I did that is because even though I multiplied a constant, you see this is a constant. That's why I multiplied and divide. Even outside the integral I have it. Even though I brought in a constant, I can rearrange those terms in such a way that it will help simplify my integral. How? Let's have a look at it. What is cos of A minus B? Cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Did you all like it? Divided by what do I have? I have sin of x minus A into cos of x minus B dx. Now you can open and you can solve it, isn't it? So I'll have 1 by cos of A minus B. And here I'll have integral. So if I split the terms, I will get cos x minus B and cos x minus B cancel. So I'll have cos x minus A by sin x minus A, which is cot of x minus A. Plus, here what will be left out? Sin x minus A and sin x minus A will cancel. I'll have tan of x minus B left out. Okay. Now these are all direct integrals. What is integral of cot? Integral of cot is, any idea? ln sine, right? So it is ln sine. So I'll have 1 by cos A minus B outside. This will be what? Integral of cot x minus A is ln sine of x minus A. Plus, what is integral of tan? It is ln of secant x. So it will be ln of secant of x minus b plus c. So that is your final answer. Did I have the same here? Absolutely yes. Did I get the same? Absolutely yes. I got the same answer. You see, ln sine of x minus a by cos of x minus b. How by came? Because I have secant. Nah? Secant is 1 by cos. So yes, what I got here and what I have mentioned here as the answer, both are same. I hope you all liked it. This is a good question. This is a good question. Are you all clear? Everybody? Can you all please let me know in the chat? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo and a fire. With that, we will move forward, my dear boys and girls. Come on, everybody. Light up the chat with some fire. Did you all love it? So I have mentioned the question here and I have mentioned the method also. The method is multiplying and dividing by cos of A minus B. That is a trick here. It's a very unconventional substitution or manipulation which normally doesn't strike. You have to be exposed to it earlier or you have to be used to these kind of questions. Got it? So yeah, one more question is that on the slide which you guys can try. So here we have both cos. Can you see that? So what I solved here, you had sine and cos in the denominator. Whereas in this question, which I want you all to try as a homework, you have cos and cos. So when you have both the terms as cos in the denominator, what I'll do is I'll multiply by sine of b minus a and divide by sine of b minus a. And then do the same manipulation what I taught you. You guys will be able to reach the answer. Okay. It is such a cool method. I hope you all liked it. Yes. So this one I want you to try it out, people. It is very similar to what I just did over here. I have explained each and every step. So I am pretty sure you should be able to get the answer over here as well. Anyway, the solutions are attached. You guys can go through it. Yep. So now, are you ready for a quiz? My dear boys and girls, everybody please let me know. And I'm gonna move to it in just a few seconds. So the quiz question is gonna be on your screen. I hope all of you are ready. Yes. So people, I've given you enough time to note down things. Now we are gonna use them in our challenge ahead. So try it out. The one who answers it right will score a lot of points. So be slow and accurate. Don't guess or don't click randomly. Everybody ready with your answers? Come on, people. I'll give you just 30 seconds. Are you all done? Very good. So here, what do? You use the remark which I taught you. Okay, don't forget that. It's a one-line answer. Either you know it or you don't know. Because if you do by substitution, it's going to take some time. That also should give you the answer. But yeah, since you're beginning, it might take a while for you. But people, I'm going to start it in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Everybody try to solve it. Come on, guys. Maximum participation. Let's aim for that. Last 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Your time is running out. So boys and girls, if you're planning to answer, do it now. Very good. Very good. That's it. That ends your time. So this is your fastest fingers list. As you all can see, we have the top 10 quickest answers of this particular quiz. But what was the right answer? Any idea? The right answer over here is option C, my dear boys and girls. It is option C, which is your right answer. How? I will reveal it to you now. Please listen carefully. Okay. So it is going to be 4 outside because 4 is a constant. I have integral of 1 by 2 minus 3x dx. So this is similar to integral of 1 by x dx, which is equal to ln of x plus c. Okay. So it's going to be 4 times of ln of 2 minus 3x. But should I just put plus c and finish it? No. I have to divide by the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? It is minus 3. So I have to divide by minus 3, which is why your option C is the right answer. Did you love it? Are you all happy with this? Yes. Are you all able to get the hang of it now? Everybody? Come on, people. Let me know in the chat. All good. Do you want one more challenge before we mark the halfway? Are you all ready? Let's go then. If you guys are ready, then we shall definitely go to another quiz. So people, the question will be on your screen now. Please try to solve it. Everybody should participate. Okay. So again, it's based on the same method. So this is similar to what? This is similar to integral e power x dx. So integral e power x dx is integral e power x dx is nothing but e power x plus c. Okay. So using that, you guys can finish it off. I'm going to start your quiz in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Come on, people. Everybody try to solve it. Very good. Very good. I want 100% participation. So all those who are yet to start, please be quick, guys. Come on. Your time is running out. Last 5 seconds. That's it. So that ends your time. As you all can see over here, this is your fastest fingers list. And in this list of top 10 quickest answers, how many of you have got it right? The green color ones are the right answers. So you guys be careful. Going fast is good until you get it right. Okay. But going fast and doing it wrong is not what I prefer. So the answer, my dear boys and girls, for this question was option C. How, sir? Because guys, it's direct. E to the power 5 minus 3x will be e to the power 5 minus 3x plus c. But you have to divide this by coefficient of x because it's a linear function. Correct? So coefficient of x is what? Minus 3. So that is nothing but your option C. I hope you're all clear. Did you love it? My dear boys and girls, are you all happy? All those who got this one correct, hats off to your effort and a big round of applause. Very good. Well done, my dear boys and girls. With that, we mark the halfway of this class. So at this point of time, I want you all to go have a look at your performance so far in this class and then be back so that you can make some improvisations, some modifications to your performance so that you end the class on a very high note. Okay. And I really wish that we have some new faces in the leaderboard standings today. So guys, take this as a motivation, as a challenge and work hard in the next half to make it to the top. Okay, so go have a look at it and be back, guys. Your milestone is right on your screen. Welcome back, people. I hope all of you have seen your performance. Are you all happy? Did you all do well? Great. If you have done well, then it's time to do even better because we are now talking business. Why? We are now moving into the models which usually come in exams. Okay. So buckle up, people. You are in for an adventure. It's going to be super duper amazing with lots and lots of problem solving. So you guys ready? Shall we get started? Let's go. So the first set of problems, I'm going to share it. Please check it and try it out. Then I will help you out. Okay. So this is your first set. Please do try it for 30-40 seconds. Then I will come and help you out. I want you to use your raw, original thinking. Okay, then I'll guide you. Remember, guys, whenever we are doing questions of substitution, what you need to keep in mind is you substitute something whose derivative is present in the integral already, or you can bring it without changing the question. Got it? That is how you understand what to substitute. And second one is, it simplifies your integral. After I substitute, it should simplify my integral. Then it is a good substitution. Got it? So yeah, please try to solve it. So what will I substitute here? Anybody? All those who substituted x cube as t. So the right substitution over here is taking x cube as t. So this will become 3x square dx is equal to dt. So I'll get x square dx is equal to dt by 3. So x square dx will become what? X square dx will become dt by 3, and e to the power x cube will become e to the power t. Done. Over. What is e to the power t dt integral? Very easy. I gave it to you in standard integrals. E power t dt is e power t only. That's it. Over. But I introduced t, so I should get rid of it also. So e power t is what? X cube. So that will be my answer for this question. All those who got this, fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Keep it up. Did you all love it? Are you guys able to get the hang of it now? So shall I move forward? Yes, people. Fantastic. So yeah, this is how the questions usually come in your competitive exams. Okay. So JEE Mains will be slightly more difficult. JEE Advanced, of course, it will be very twisted and tricky. But for normal state engineering colleges, this is a typical level. Got it? So try to practice them today only from our session assignment and from your NCERT textbook. That would be a great homework which you can do for me. Cool? So yeah, with that, people, the next question is on your screen. Everybody try to solve it. I want maximum participation. Okay. All of you go for it and finish it, guys. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. So what will you do here? Again, very simple. I will take 4x square plus 7 as t. Why am I substituting 4x square plus 7? Because the derivative of that is present in the integral. How, sir? You differentiate, you will get 8x dx is equal to dt. Yeah, sir. We have x dx, so it is present. 8 is a constant. I can multiply, divide, easily I can handle it. But x dx is there now. That was the clue to substitute 4x square plus 7 as t. Got it? So now what is x dx? X dx is dt by 8. So I'll have integral of x dx is dt by 8. Sine of 4x square plus 7 is sine of t. So what is sine of t? Sine of t integral is nothing but minus cos t. So the answer is minus cos of 4x square plus 7 by 8 plus c. Did you all love it? Was it awesome? How many of you got the exact same answer? I hope all of you are getting it, because only until you reach the last step, you are right. Before that, as students, you should not stop. As a teacher, I can stop at this step. and I can ask you, boys and girls, finish it off. But as students, you always have to go until you reach the answer. Okay. So I am warning you guys, please make it a habit. Whenever you solve any book, not necessarily my class, any class, be it physics, chemistry, or math, or any book that you're doing, please solve every question until the very end. Don't leave it in between saying that you got it. No, that is not good. Okay. I just thought I should share that. So people, if you're all cool, then we shall move forward. And all those who got this before me, great job. Keep it up. Fantastic. So yeah, people, with that, let me show you a discussion question which I want all of you to take part in. Do you think this is right or wrong? Everybody, let me know. Quick, 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 quick. Is it true or false? I want you to spam the chat. Just two options. So choose wisely, watch carefully. It is based on what I taught you. Okay. Are you all done? Everybody? Yup. So guys, what do we have? We have something similar to integral 1 by x. So it is ln of x plus c. So this will be what? ln of 7x minus 9 divided by coefficient of x plus c. And that is exactly what I have. So the answer is true. All those who said true, you guys are absolutely awesome. Okay. Those who said false, please check where you went wrong, guys. Okay. If you are having some difficulty, then better do it by substitution slowly. Take 7x minus 9 as t, then substitute it, then integrate it, then resubstitute it back to get the answer. That would be a foolproof way, but it's a time-consuming process. That is why I taught you this shortcut technique, where you have to divide by the coefficient of x. Got it? Perfect. So now, with that said, people, let us try to solve another very interesting question. Everybody try it out. So this is the question. And we are going to use this recall over here. Whenever you have a sin x plus b cos x, try to express it in terms of only sine or only cos. Okay. Try to express it in terms of only sine or only cos. That way your job will become very easy. Sir, what do you mean by that, sir? What I mean by that is, so here you have root 3 sin x plus cos x, right? So what I'll do is I will divide and multiply by 2. So I'll get root 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x. So this can be written as what? 1 by 2 integral dx divided by root 3 by 2 is what? Root 3 by 2 is cos 30, correct? Yeah, so it is cos pi by 6 sin x plus sin pi by 6 cos x. So what will that be? 1 by 2 dx divided by cos pi by 6 sin x plus sin pi by 6 cos x is sine of a plus b. So that will be half integral cosecant x plus pi by 6 dx. So what is integral of cosecant theta? I already gave you that in yesterday's class, the previous class. So that's going to be half ln of cosecant x minus cot x. Correct now? So cosecant of x plus pi by 6 minus cot of x plus pi by 6. That is your answer. And you should put plus c. Did you all like it? Are you all clear? So whatever I teach you in the previous classes, please do not forget it, my dear boys and girls. Because that is being used over here, isn't it? Are you all happy with it? So this is one method where I convert it into sine. Likewise, you can convert it into cos also. How, sir? How is that possible? So guys, I can write the same as root 3 by 2 can be written as sine 60. So I can write it as sine pi by 3 sine x plus cos pi by 3 cos x. So the denominator will become cos of x minus pi by 3. So it will become half integral of secant of x minus pi by 3. So that also integral, you guys can finish it off. Very simple. Are you clear? So there are two methods. You can either simplify this into cos or you can either simplify into sine. So both are right. Both the answers are correct. So yes, an integral can have one or two more forms of answers. Got it? Are you all clear? Did you all love it? So this is a very nice manipulation. I guess you're all clear with it now. This is exactly what I did. And this is your method 2 where you have secant. And when you use the formula and finish it, it looks like this. Cool. Did you all love it, my dear boys and girls? So if you all enjoyed it so far, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo and a fire in the chat. With that, we will proceed. Come on guys, quick. All of you. Very well done guys. You all have done a great job until now. Keep it up. Okay, so now one doubt which you might have at this point is, can we make substitution more than once? Sir, I substituted once, I simplified it. Again, can I substitute to further simplify it? Yes. If it is possible, you can do it. Okay. There have been questions in your competitive exams, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, wherein you apply 2-3 substitutions and then simplify it. Such questions have come up. Okay. So yes, we can apply substitution more than once, provided it is suitable there. That means for substituting, you need to have the derivative present, or you should be able to bring the derivative in the question without changing it. So if that is satisfied, then yes, why not? You can substitute more than once. Clear? Very good. So with that doubt clarified, it's time for a quiz. All my lovely boys and girls, I hope you're all ready. So here we go. The quiz is right now on your screen. Please try to solve it. Everybody. Are you all done? Okay. So I'm going to start it, guys. Please be quick. I'll give you a hint. So you have to take root x as t. That's my hint. And with that hint, I'm going to start your quiz in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Come on, people. Everybody try it out. Last 10 seconds. Hurry up, my dear boys and girls. Everybody. Very good. Amazing work. So this is your fastest fingers list. the list of top 10 quickest answers of our class. And as you all can see, the right answer was said by those who clicked on option B. Okay. So option B is the right answer. How? Let me show you now. Please listen carefully. So if I take root x as t, now differentiate it. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx. That is equal to dt. So I will get 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. So 1 by root x dx is nothing but twice of dt, and sine of root x will become t. So what is sine t dt? Sine t dt is minus cos t plus c. So the answer is minus 2 cos t plus c. So t is nothing but what? T is nothing but root x. So that will be your answer over here. I hope all of you are clear. Did you all like it? Are you guys happy with this? Easy question? Laddu, na? So this was a simple question. I hope you all enjoyed it. So if you guys have got it right, then great job. Keep it up. But yeah, we still have one more quiz to go. So are you all ready? Everybody? Are you guys up for the challenge? Perfect. So if you guys are all done with this question, then I'm going to show you the next one right on your screen. Again, very interesting question based on substitution. Please try it out. Come on, guys. Everybody go for it. So what will you substitute here? Think. Because whatever you substitute, its derivative should be present. That's the hint I gave you. How do you choose what to substitute? Whatever you choose to substitute, its derivative should be present. Got it? So I will choose ln of x to be my t. Why, sir? Because its derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt. That is present. How? 1 by x dx is present. So now it is very simple. I hope you all can finish it off. Your time will begin in 3, 1. Let's go. Come on, my dear boys and girls. Everybody, hurry up. Great. Last 5 seconds. That's it. That ends your time. This is what I call as your fastest fingers list. The list of top 10 quickest answers of our class. And now let me also show you the overall distribution. So as you can see here, option D is in fact the right answer for this question. How? Pretty simple. So you have what? 1 by x dx is dt and ln of x is t. So I have dt by t integral, which is nothing but ln t plus c. So ln of t is what? T is nothing but ln x. So it's ln of ln x plus c. That is the way you solve it. I hope you are all able to follow it. Yes, people. If you have any questions, then please make sure you're getting it resolved by putting it in the chat and reaching out to your class teachers. Okay? Great. So if you have completely understood everything until now, then I want you to let me know in the chat with a fire. Sir, I am crystal clear with whatever you have done so far. I am very confident up to whatever we have covered. That would make me really happy, guys. Come on. How many of you can say that with confidence? That you can at least try questions based on substitution? Yes? Fabulous people. So if you are confident, then let me give you a big round of applause. Great. So people, now I'm going to move forward to a silent discussion mode. I want you all to spam in the chat. What do you think is the value of A over here? Okay. What do you think is the value of A over here? Can you all do it, guys, quickly? Think about it. Think about it. Everybody. Once you're done, then we'll move forward. Okay. All good? What is the answer? So all those who said A equal to minus half, you guys are absolutely right. Very, very, very good. You deserve. Firework celebration. Okay. How, sir? Because, see, integral of sine x dx is what? Minus cos x. Correct? So, integral of sine 2x plus 1 will be minus cos 2x plus 1. But I have to divide by coefficient of x, which is 2. So, A is a coefficient of cos, right? So, it's minus 1 by 2. That is your answer. I hope all of you got it now. Clear? So, minus 1 by 2. All those who said, you guys are right. The others, I hope now you have understood it. So, with that, let us go for some more problem solving and we'll end the day with one more quiz. Last chance for everybody. All those who came to the class today, you have one more chance to make it into the leaderboard. But before that, I will train you with some practice questions. Okay. So let us go and build up. Get ready for the battle with these two amazing questions. Over here, please try it out. The first one is on your screen. I will show you the second one in a short while. Everybody try it. Guys, I'll do one thing. I'll give it to you as a hotspot. Okay. Let's do that. That way it will be very interesting. So I'm going to give it as a hotspot. I've given you 4 options, A, B, C, D. You guys have to choose the right option. Got it? And your hotspot begins now. You guys can take your time. I'll give you 1 minute. So take 1 minute, but tell me the right answer. It's a very tricky question. You have to watch very, very properly. Only then you will be able to get it. And also you can take help from the options. Sometimes the options can reveal things which you don't see. Either you need to have a good eye or you need to look at the options and make some prediction. Do that, guys. Come on. I am expecting some right answers. Everybody done? So shall I conclude it? So I'm going to close your hotspot in. That's it. I'm going to close it. The right answer is option C. So all those who said C, you guys are right. Sir, how, sir? So guys, the trick is writing x power 6 as 1 plus x cube whole square. So what I'll do, I'll take x cube as some substitution t. So we'll get 3x square dx is equal to dt. So I'll get x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Got it? So I'll have x squared dx on the numerator. That will become dt by 3. And denominator will become 1 plus t square. Because x cube is t, na? So what is this? Do you guys remember? dt by 1 plus t square, integral. It is nothing but tan inverse of t. Over. So it's 1 by 3. Tan inverse of t is what? X cube plus c. So that is exactly what we have here. I hope you guys have got it. With that, I think we shall move forward to the next practice question. You guys ready? Yup. Did you all love it? It was good, right? Very tricky manipulation, very tricky observation. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yup. Very good. So if this is clear, then I think the next one should also be very easy. So I will keep the chat open. Let's see who's answering first. Let's see how many of you are able to grab this very quick. All of you go for it, guys. The question is tan to the power nx secant square x dx. Okay. So I want you to integrate it and tell me what is the answer. Again, you can take help from the options. Observe what's happening. And using that, your job becomes very easy. What is the answer? Have you guys observed it? What do? You take tan x as t. Why? Because when you differentiate, you get secant square x dx equal to dt. And you have secant square x dx. So the question becomes tan x power n secant square x dx will become dt. So it becomes such a simple integration. T power n dt is t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 over. Did you all like it? Are you all clear? So what is the answer? Your t is nothing but tan x, right? So tan x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Cool? You guys happy? So if you're all happy and clear, then like I promised, I have one final quiz for you. With that, we will conclude the class. Okay, are you all ready, people? Fantastic. Let's go. Let's go in style. So the quiz for you all is right on your screen. Please try to solve it, guys. Come on, everybody. I want all of you to try it out and I want you to be quick as well. Okay. So please be quick and then we will discuss it. I'll give you 1 minute time anyway. I will write the question in a slightly easy manner so that all of you can observe correctly. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. And denominator can be written as 1 plus cos square x the whole square. So now I have written in a format where you can observe a bit more clearly. Yeah? After a few seconds, I'll give you the next hint. Are you all done? Did you guys like it so far? So what do you do now? So what you can do now is, people, you can take cos square x as t. So if you differentiate cos square x, what you'll get? You'll get 2 cos x, chain rule. 2 cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Dx is equal to dt. So I'll get minus 2 sin x cos x dx is equal to dt. So what will this be? Minus dt divided by 1 plus t square. So now I made it too easy. So I hope you guys will finish it off. Your time begins in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Come on, people. Everybody finish it off. Okay, people, your time is about to end. That's it. So that ends your last quiz for the day. And we have our fastest fingers list for this particular quiz. As you all can see, people were very, very quick. But did everybody get it right? What was the right answer? It was option C, which is the right answer. Okay. So all those who got option C, brilliant, brilliant effort. Why is it option C? Because minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt is cot inverse of t plus c. What, sir? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is actually cot inverse of x. That is how this comes. Okay. Now what is t? T is cos square x. Now, so if you plug that back inside, you will get option C to be the right answer. I hope you all liked it. Yeah? Everybody cool? So that is the way you solve it. I hope you all enjoyed it. So with that, people, we'll conclude the session. If you enjoyed it, if you're all happy, if you are crystal clear, then let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo and a fire. And with that, you guys can go have a look at your progress for the entire class. How you have performed so far, where you have made mistakes, and what you should work on before coming to the next session. Okay, please have a look at it, guys, quickly. Okay, welcome back, people. So now, the moment you all have been waiting for. Yes, of course, the leaderboard standings. I'm going to show it to you in just a few seconds. But before that, let me quickly summarize what I did today. We only discussed substitution, 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 and substitution. Okay, because it is a very big concept, very important for your competitive exams. So please take it seriously. Practice the same questions that we did in class. I gave you one homework. Then you do your session assignment, Tattva exercises, NCRT textbook. So if you do that many problems, then you will be in a different zone. You will be unstoppable. Okay. And that's what I want for my children. So can you all do that? Everybody? So please ensure your substitution is at the next level by the next class. Got it? So yes, people, with that, let's have a look at the leaderboard. Congrats to all those who made it to the top of the leaderboard. You guys are awesome. The others who tried, don't worry. Like I said, keep working, be consistent. You will eventually make it. Okay. So trust the process and keep working without getting demotivated. Clear? And all those who have worked hard and made it to the leaderboard, very good, guys. Very well done. And let me especially congratulate all those who are in the top 3. Big round of applause for you guys.